The sculpture you see behind me is by Virginia Overton, and it's called Untitled HILUX. It's from 2016. This is a new acquisition for us, and we're a museum that doesn't have a huge collection of outdoor sculpture, but now that we have these terrific terraces here in this new building, we're slowly beginning to acquire new works. Virginia is an artist that's particularly interested in trucks and has made a series of sculptures based on pickup trucks. And this one is particularly interesting. A lot of them, she's taken the pickup truck and filled it with other materials. But in this case, she's actually taken the bed of the truck and disassembled all the other parts of this truck and reassembled that onto the truck. She's essentially rendered the truck useless. For me, it becomes this wonderful, almost anti-monument to car culture. And she talks about making these truck sculptures and really being about her interest in car culture. And I also think it's about her own interest in using salvage or found materials. She often talks about using materials over and over again in her studio, taking old sculptures and repurposing them into new works. So here in a wonderful way, I think she's taken the kind of obvious parts of the truck and reassembled them into a new form, into a new sculpture. So getting these sculptures out onto this terrace is not an easy process. They have to be craned using a huge crane over the side of the terrace, and then we unpack and assemble a sculpture like this here. This gets back to Virginia's interest and the idea of the sculpture being mobile in a way, that it could be installed in one place. It's a very monumental work, but then it could be disassembled, packaged, and shipped elsewhere and reassembled in a new location.